Welcome to episode 3 of DriveWarp by TakeFlight. In today's episode, we are doing the long drive from the south side of Houston in Galveston County on the mainland all the way to Carrollton on the north side of Texas on the north side of Dallas. During this drive, we will drive nearly the entire length of US Interstate 45 from its southernmost extent just a few miles north of the beaches at Galveston, all of the way until it turns into Route 75 on the north side of Dallas. It transitions right downtown, and we do a bit of Route 75 and then 635 as well. So this is a very long drive, about 15 minutes in our super sped up version that we have here. If you're doing this in person, it generally takes between 4 and 5 hours. So this is by far our longest drive that we have recorded yet here on DriveWarp. And we had just the most fantastically beautiful sunny day with the sun in just the right position. So we took advantage of it and did this entire recording all at once. We do have a couple stops that do have to happen from time to time on a trip of this nature. One time stopping because we had a dog in the car who got sick, unfortunately, but he's fine. And one time that we stopped for food at Carl's Jr.'s, which is the spot that we always stop when doing this particular drive. So thank you so much for joining us. I hope you enjoy this very long, full, place-to-place, point A to point B, complete travel across the state of Texas and across its Texaplex metro area. Thank you for joining us on another episode of DriveWarp by TakeFlight. Please remember to like and subscribe and share on social media. Tell people about the show. Leave your comments below. Let us know where you would like us to record some awesome drives in the future, especially as COVID allows us to do more. And please remember to also check out not only our other episodes, but also our parent channel's episodes on TakeFlight. Thank you, and we'll see you on our next road trip.